wase abagambi korwase binyoro ao meye county ya Kisii nigo litkolera baba bakomerana no mo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Anjere aba wakiri korwase kigambero ya Kisii nabo igo omo land registrar eriogo kwanera emerobero bwente kobeka ase okugayana ebina byamarimo ekerono yarokanire buna amakongu yebina byamarimo aberiga komentakana mono ase county ya Kisii omorobero yo nigo korekana sama gacho ATC imeyo mocho Kisii muri keto Mildred Momanyi nekiranoro nagotwarganira roboti rwa senchira yobwagare
abagambi bonsi korwa ase ebinyoro au korwa ase county ya Kisii nigo bomerana amono mo county commissioner Tom Anjere omo presiding judge korwa ase kegambero ekenene service chindemero amono mo land registrar we county ya Kisii imeya ATC na konyora amayigelio igoro yebina bya maremo ase bono omo county commissioner atebire mbachikubwatira elio kwenekya buna ebina ebikebikengo kya nabire.
We have agreed that the respective chiefs and assistant chiefs carry out a credible public participation so that we come up with a structure on how these alternative dispute resolution can be effectively implemented in the county. If we're able to sieve the sentiment, the feelings on how the structure can be put in place, that would be the best way forward.
Sila munyao oyore omo presiding judge nigo akwanira igoriye bina ebyo bire ase chief court ase ainekebuna ebina bya maremo korwa ase county ya Kisii nigo bikorokana koba ebinge nase agania abantu gotiga goiterania amanyinga igoro ya maremo na gosonsorana ase okoigwana.
Cases have been taking a considerable amount of time in the courts. Now, we need to understand first why. And the reason is that we have a lot of cases in court, especially cases related to land, quite a big number. That coupled with the fact that the number of judges and judicial officers is small as compared to the number has led to this backlog of cases. We are encouraging communities and people to try and resolve some of their land disputes within their communities. What I would urge communities is this: assaulting your neighbor or a person that you have a land dispute with is not an answer. We have courts. If you have a problem with land, just come to court and have the court resolve that dispute and then respect that decision.
Voigon igo asingirana goteba abasubati ngoyego bali amalemo sobo na igo eyotebwene tikoba omuchando.
That culture of men holding land by themselves and women not holding land is now changing. So even in Kisii, that culture of women not holding land is also changing.
Ase chinga kecho aba chief nigo bagokera egitambukire kyogyo konyora obosemya ase chindemerone chinchira babwenete kubwatya ase gusonsarana ebina bya maremo korwa ase ebinyoro ime
batasomirie mangana maya mono namasi ensema chindemero tuorokera ligumuna tokonyara kurikonya na marube oteba bali baraso mugondo ibagwenete kobaro ase chingenjo kyo konyora maybe registration na wana chi titles ekatokora succession letters na mangana mange na boigo chinjira tokonyara gokonyana kugayana chi tofauti chise gichiri chiko baro ugotuomana ao ase chinka. County Commissioner has a very good idea that is now coming to be implemented within our county, especially mangana yokobeka this ADR, the alternative dispute resolution in place ebe implemented guya tonyo renga tuagaya ni abantu baito batwari romorendo.
Kuripotelia egeza seni kia Ndizi TV ili Italiane Mildred Momanyi.